Hey beautifuls, I'm going to show you exactly where to tap on your body so that your body itself relaxes enough for you to receive all the money that you have been desiring. Hey beautifuls, if you are new here, I am Goddess LaMeel, and I'm going to show you how to relax the part of your nervous system that has been treating money or receiving money like a threat. Most of us are out here trying to manifest. We've tried to manifest with just positive thoughts. We've tried to manifest with affirmations, 369, all of those things. But if the nervous system views receiving money as a threat and the body is shut down to receiving, it just never lands, even when you're doing all the things. So before I show you this technique, you know what we have to do, right? I need you to like, share, and save this video so you can come back, you can practice this technique. And of course, I want you to share with me how it worked for you. Okay, so here's the point, right? Find your collarbone, under the collarbone, move in just a little bit. This is our K27, right? And we're gonna tap right here. So these 2 points actually help the body's stress response, and it helps to rebalance your entire energy system. For most people, you get triggered, right? Around money stress. So the nervous system, even if you consciously are wanting more money, when the money shows up, the body tightens instead of opens. Which is why tapping these 2 points actually helps to signal to the body that it's safe and it can relax and the body can open to receiving. Now, if you're familiar with EFT, emotional freedom technique, this is one of those points. So while you're tapping, I'm going to give you a couple of statements that you can say to help with the reset, okay? Even though part of my body still reacts to money like it's a threat, I am allowing my nervous system to relax now. So even though part of my body still reacts to money like it is a threat, I'm allowing my nervous system to relax now. Now keep tapping, and I'm going to give you another new response. So repeat after me. My body is learning that money is safe. Receiving money is safe. And having money is safe. Okay? Go through those rounds while you're tapping. If it gets a little bit tender, that is completely normal. Make sure you tap through 60 to 90 seconds. So that it totals about 3 rounds, okay? All 3 statements, well, the 3 new install statements plus the first one, go through all 4 statements or 5 statements. Go 60 seconds to 90 seconds. That's going to give you your best results. So when your nervous system and your body actually starts to feel safe with money, right, then your ability to receive will adjust. Most of us do not have a money problem. Most of us have a receiving problem. And so this allows the body to open up and increase your ability to receive. And this is exactly the thing that I'm helping everybody with in my 10-day money frequency challenge, which you can join completely free. And this is day 2. So this is technique number 2. Yesterday, I taught everybody an amazing technique that works in about 24 hours that helps you install a new belief system. So if you'd like to join the 10-day money frequency, comment below money frequency. I will send you the details. And as always, love you. Bye.